Hello everyone, welcome to the physics simulation series. In the last session we studied about the topic this magnets and electromagnets, and in the electromagnetic part we just saw the DC current, how the magnetic field is produced by DC current. Now today we'll see how we can do it by the AC current. So all these parameters we had studied. So what the thing is, I just click on this AC so that the source of this was the DC. Now we convert it to AC. Now AC produces negative and positive cycles. So here we have the AC power supply, and here what we see in the compass is that it is constantly changing, because as you can see, this is the flow of the electron, not the electric current but the electrons. So based on the Fleming's right hand rule, this electric flow, the current flow, produces electric current. As we know that every current carrying conductor produces a magnetic field. So because of this, as the direction of the current changes, the magnetic field also changes. Now let us see what happens. I'll just take this. What happens when we increase the this part, as you can see, that is the frequency. So we can change the frequency of this power supply. So what happens if we keep a low frequency? So this variation of the magnetic field, as we can see, this is going from negative positive. So this is just same up, it is going up to 6, coming to 0, again becoming 6. Now if I increase the frequency, so we get the same thing, only the difference is that the value of magnetic field does not changes, only the frequency, the fluctuations changes more rapidly. Now let us see what happens if we decrease the power supply. When we decrease the power supply, as the flow of electrons or the flow of current decreases, the magnetic field also decreases. Now if we increase this, the intensity of the electric current, there is a, and when we increase the voltage, power supply voltage, the magnetic field also increases. Now let us come to this parameter. Now we have 4 loops. So if we decrease the number of loops, the electric current, of course current flowing is same, but the magnetic field decreases. So the less the number of loops, the less is the magnetic field produced by this particular wire loop. So as this is what we see. So this is how the electric AC current flowing through the loop produces a magnetic field, and since the direction of the current is changing, and is therefore the direction of magnetic field also changing. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.